Circle. We have all seen circles before. They have this perfectly round shape. Look at the figure. We can say that a circle is a plane shape in which all points are a constant distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. A circle is all points in the same plane that lie at an equal distance from a center point. The circle is only composed of the points on the border. We could think of a circle as a hula hoop. It's only the points on the border that are the circle. The points within the hula hoop are not part of the circle and are called interior points. The region outside the circle is called its exterior. A circular disk consists of all points on and inside the circle. A line segment which joins any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. Look at the figure. A chord that passes through the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. We denote the length of the diameter by d. Look at the figure. A line segment from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius. We denote the length of the radius by r. The radius of a circle is this distance from the center of a circle to any point on the circle. If we place 2 radii end to end in a circle, we would have the same length as 1 diameter. The diameter of a circle is twice as long as the radius. Since the diameter of the circle is twice the length of its radius, we can also write d equals 2 times r. The circumference of a circle is the perimeter or the distance around a circle. Look at the figure. In other words, the circumference of a circle is its perimeter. For a circle, we denote the radius by r, the diameter by d, and the circumference by c. If we divide the circumference by the diameter, we get always the same value for any circle. The ratio of the circumference c to diameter d is approximately this number. This turns out to be true for all circles, which makes this number one of the most important numbers in all of math. This number is symbolized by the Greek letter pi. Multiply both sides of the formula by d, give us this formula. Also note that the diameter is twice the radius, and we can write the formula to find the circumference of any circle as long as we know the diameter d or the radius r. Consider cutting a circle of a radius r into 20 equal sectors and arranging them as shown alongside. The figure obtained closely resembles a rectangle. The height of the rectangle is the radius of the circle. The upper length is the sum of all the parts of the circumference in green color. This is half the circumference of the circle. The bottom length is made up from all the parts of circumference in blue color in a similar way. So the area of the circle is approximately the area of the rectangle. Area of a circle equals pi times radius squared. Find the perimeter in the area of a circle of a radius 8 centimeter. Take the formula to find the perimeter of the circle. Change r by 8. The perimeter is 16 pi. Some calculators have a pi button, but you can also substitute pi by 3.14. However, the answers for these two ways of dealing with pi are slightly different. Both ways are allowed, so if your answer is slightly different from the answer given for a question, then this is acceptable, as long as you have rounded correctly for your method.